Welcome to the world of AVLC, the Advanced Visual Lighting Controller, your all-in-one solution for synchronized control of multi-device experiences. AVLC includes three powerful components: the AVLC master software, installed on a primary control computer; the AVLC slave software, running on all other computers to enable synchronized playback; and the AVLC control box, a smart hardware hub to control lights, fans, fog machines, speakers, and more. Picture this setup: 5 computers displaying content, 8 dimmable lights, 2 fog machines, 2 fans, 4 speakers, and 2 AVLC control boxes. The master software is installed on computer 1, while the slave software runs on the other 4. Each screen starts with a custom holding screen, ready for a synchronized trigger. Control Box 1 is linked to all lighting equipment. Control Box 2 manages speakers, fog machines, and fans. Together, they synchronize devices with precision down to the millisecond. With the AVLC mobile app, you can remotely start, pause, stop, or reset your show, all with a simple tap. Tap Start on the app. Screen 1 begins a dramatic 8-second countdown video. Each second, one light turns on, building anticipation. At 8 seconds, all 8 lights are fully lit. Then all 4 remaining screens begin their respective video content, while fog machines activate, adding theatrical atmosphere. Shortly after, fans turn on, creating wind effects synced with video. Finally, lights and screens fade, and the speakers come alive with powerful music, marking a perfect end to the show. Where can AVLC be used? Anywhere you need precision, synchronization, and immersive impact. Theaters, for synchronized AV cues across lights, screens, and stage effects. Experience centers and museums, to automate storytelling environments. Events and exhibitions, launch immersive content shows at the touch of a button. Educational spaces, interactive installations or science exhibits. Retail and showrooms, timed product reveals, lighting transitions, and sound effects. Theme parks and attractions, create timed effects, syncing visuals with environmental triggers. With AVLC, you control everything from one interface, ensuring flawless timing and dramatic impact. AVLC isn't just about automation. It's about delivering seamless experiences where video, light, sound, and effects move as one. Contact us today for demos or custom orders and power your next unforgettable experience.